Let's make the most of our kitchen counter space. If you have a small kitchen and you lack counter space, you know how much of a problem this can be. We have already organized our cabinets and utilize and optimize all the spaces that we can in the kitchen. However, that doesn't always take care of our counters. You need this counter space to cook, to do food prep, to serve your dinners. So let's get our counters organized. The first step of having an organized counters is to keep them clean. You want to make sure there's no food debris, crumbs, yuck from your kids' hands, whatever, on your counters. The cleaner they look, the more easy they're going to be to keep organized. Now, look around at the table situation in your kitchen. Have you ever heard of those tables with the fold down edges? Sometimes you can get them and they're so small that they will go up against the wall. This is a great alternative to the dining room table or the kitchen table that you already have. You can push it up against the wall and open up the side whenever you need extra counter space. Maybe you can get a rolling cart or create an island in the middle of your kitchen. Both of those things not only gives you more space, counter space to work on, but it's going to give you extra storage underneath with the cabinets or the shelves. If you have additional ideas for creating extra counter space in your kitchen, I would love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment down below. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.